Hi, I'm a senior hair consultant here at More Hair Naturally, and this video is directed specifically to those of you who have purchased 1 or 2 bottles of this, the More Hair Naturally 9 or the Hair and Scalp Synergy. While this is a great way to get started on the product, I want to clarify a few things. If you're using this small sampling as a test, the truth is you're probably not going to see the results you're hoping for because you're not giving the product enough time to accomplish the goal. As they say, Rome was not built in a day. In general, it takes 3 to 6 months to see results using these products properly and aggressive enough, meaning 5 to 7 times per week consistently. And every one of you is unique, and so are your hair issues. Some people have been losing hair for 20 years, some for 5 or less. Some have less than 50% of their hair left, while others are just beginning to see slight thinning. Some of you need medications that may have a side effect of hair loss, while others may be under extreme stress, contributing to their hair loss. Do you use hair styling products, color your hair, exercise, work outdoors in a harsh environment? All of these factors can affect your hair. And there are many more that I haven't mentioned, and all vary from person to person. However, with diligent use of our products in a way that benefits you, most of these obstacles causing your hair to thin can and will be overcome. But you have to give it time. That's the way nature works. Let's use a hypothetical person named Tom as an example. Tom has been losing his hair for 10 years. Tom is 45 years old, in good health, doesn't take meds of any kind, has a thinning hairline and a balding spot about the size of a baseball on his crown. However, Tom is a heavy-duty runner, taking 3-mile trips 3 to 4 times a week. What this means is Tom's DHT level, the main cause of hair loss, is higher than normal. Based on this scenario, Tom will have to be more aggressive in the early part of the program if he wants to get the results he is looking for. In summary, we're realists over here at More Hair Naturally, and if you've spoken to other hair companies, we're pretty sure that's what you want or need. So again, if you purchased 1 or 2 bottles, consider calling us and create a specific hair profile with one of our consultants, and we'll give you sound advice on the who, what, where, and when of using our products. Hey, the call and the conversation are free. We provide this as a service to 100% of our clients at no charge because our goal is to help you reach your goal. So take advantage. The number to knowledge is right on the screen. Thanks.